We are almost done. This is the last installation video, and after this we'll just have to look at how to start OTM and log in for the first time. But there are several scripts we have to run before that, so let's begin. Start your virtual machine and start the database listener and instance. You can do that by opening a terminal, logging in as Oracle, and executing lsnr-ctl start. And to start the database instance, connect to the database assist and execute the startup command. Don't forget to enable your network if it's disabled. Now that the database server is up and running, let's create OTM stable spaces. First, change our current directory to home/oracle/otm/glog/oracle/script8. Then connect to the database again, assist, and execute @create_gc3_tablespaces.sql. This script will require some inputs on your part. So when it asks for if you want to use defaults, enter Y and press enter. Then hit enter to use default file sizes. Hit enter again to use default maximum file size. Then enter Y to set auto extend on the data files. And when it asks for data files location, enter /u01/app/oracle/authadata/otmdb. I'm going to copy and paste just to make sure it's correct. Don't forget to include the trailing slash. And hit enter to start. Now I'm going to stop recording because those scripts can take a while to run, but as soon as it finishes I'll start recording again so we can continue. Don't worry, after this point there's no input required on your part. Okay, table space is created, we can move on. If you get an error executing the table space script, double check your db16k cache size parameter. You may need to change it using alter system. Now we are going to create OTM users. Run @create glog users. Hit enter to continue. Enter OTMDB for connection ID. Hit enter to accept the default database user to be used. Enter system password, which is OTM 6.3. Enter OTM 6.3 again here. Then enter password for archive, glogdba, glog owner, glog load, report owner, and global report user. They all have password equal to their username. This one doesn't take too long to execute. The next script we need to run needs a package called KSH, so let's install it before we continue. Open a new terminal. Log in as root. And execute yum install KSH. Now let's go back to the scripts. Next one is create all. Disconnect from the database and run /create_all.sh. Hit enter to continue. Database connection ID is OTMDB. Sys password is OTM63. Hit enter to accept default user. System's password is also OTM63. Hit enter again to accept OTM's properties path. And finally, enter archive, glog owner, and report owner's password. They are all the same as their usernames. This script can take a very long time to execute, depending on your machine's performance. I'm talking up to 16 hours, so be patient and wait for it to finish if that happens to you. As long as you see this activity, don't quit, no matter how long it takes. Now connect to the database again as glog owner this time and run domain men.reset sequence. Before you do that, enable server output as I do here. Set size to 1 million. Okay, almost done. We just need to execute db patch. Now disconnect from the database and execute /dbpatch_60.sh. When it asks for database connection ID, enter OTMDB, then enter password for glog owner, report owner, and archive users. Then enter OTMDB again and glog owner. Then hit enter to use default OTM properties path. And sys password OTM 6.3. Enter again. And systems password OTM 6.3. This one can take forever too, so don't give up on it. So when it's done, our OTM server is ready. On the final video, I'm going to show you how to start OTM, and we are also going to log into OTM for the very first time.